Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And you're probably wondering what this is, and you probably know what it is by the thumbnail and the title, but this is slime. Sorry guys, you can't really see all of it, but I mixed all the colors of my markers in here. Let me show you real quick. It's a lot. I think it's over 20 different colors in here. And I'm just gonna mix it. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna mix it and we're gonna see what color it turns. Sorry if it's too close, or if the camera's too close, but that's as high as it can go, so. Okay, I'm gonna show you a better view. On camera, it looks different, and you can't really see the colors, but in real life, you can really see it. And on the camera, it looks like an ugly color, but in real life, it's like a pretty orangey pink color. Oh. Here is the final product. The color did change a little bit, but it didn't change that much. There's still some color streaks in it. But if the slime shows up better on camera, I'll show a picture of it right here. But if it looks the same on a picture, then I probably won't add a picture in the video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Comment down below any suggestions you have for me. I really don't know what to do other than slime and squishies. Tell me if you want me to do anything other than that. So yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.